Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can download the Signal app on your PC. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up your browser on your PC and you can go to Google. After you go to Google, just go ahead and search for Signal PC and you can see the Signal Messenger option over here. Click on this first link which says download Signal for Windows. After you click it, you will be headed to another page. So what you need to do is click on download for Windows. As soon as you click on download for Windows, the Signal will be downloaded for Windows. You can also see that it is available for Mac and Linux as well. So if the download does not begin, just go ahead and click on it once again and you can see the Signal setup is being downloaded. After it has been downloaded, you can go ahead and click on open file and install Signal. After that, you can start messaging to your friends and your family members as well as your colleagues. So I hope this video about how you can download Signal on your PC was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.